Hello guys, how are you doing? It's been a wonderful day today. My name is Samuel Opela. This is a special training session. This is the first part of my course. It is titled Introduction to Boom and Crash. This training is coming to you via Cora Digital Cash. Okay, so let's go into details. Okay, boom and crash are special assets that we can find on binary.com platform. I'm not sure if you can find them on other platform, but that is the broker that I use. Both of them are synthetic indices, and the movements of these two assets are predictable, so it is very easy for a newbie to get started with. So I'll be showing us some things on how we can go about it. I'll quickly show us a few things about boom and crash, how we can trade them, and things like that. About the registration, how to go about the registration, opening your account on binary.com. Everything is well detailed in the PDF that will come alongside with your training pack, so you know how to go about it one after the other. This video training is meant to go straight into how you can trade boom and crash. So this is just the first part. I'm trying to make it as detailed as possible so that you will get it just the way it should be traded. So let's go to the trading platform so that you get to see these two assets. They are special assets, boom and crash. So let's go to the platform. Yeah, they are usually on MT5. You find them on MT5. They are two in numbers. We have Crash 500 and Crash 1000. We also have Boom 1000 and Boom 500. Both of them, these four assets are very, very special. They work the same way. Boom 1000 and Boom 500 works in the same way. Crash 500 and Crash 1000 also works in the same way. You can easily predict the movements. You can easily predict the movements. Okay, here on the platform, checking the main chart, you can see the main chart. Yeah, we have Crash 500 index here, which is 1 minute time frame. You can see the movement. It is generally a buy movement, that is an upward movement, and it goes gradually. So it is easy for a newbie to start with once you know how to go about it. The only thing that we are always scared of is this crash that happens in between. Can you see the crashes? It is the crash that happens in between. That is why this is called crash. Crash is this long candle. Generally, crash goes up. That's the movement of crash. It goes up, either crash 500 or crash 1000. The general movement is going up. You can see it going up. This is the current price action. You can see it going up, and once in a while you find it, you see it crashing down. You can see the way it crashed down. So that is why it is called crash index. Either crash 500 or crash 1000, both are the same, so they move in the same direction. So let's go to crash 1000 so that you get to see it the way it also moves. We can see this is crash 1000. It is also moving up. Like I said, the movement is in the same direction, and once in a while you see it crashing down, so you can easily predict the movement. But I will be sharing with us the secrets of how you can trade it successfully, because as easy as it looks, you can also lose a lot of money with it. But quickly, before we go into that, let's go to Boom 500. Okay, this is boom 500 1 minute chart. Boom is the opposite of crash. The normal movement of crash is buy, that is, it goes up steadily. Now boom, like I said, it is the opposite of crash. The normal movement of boom is sell, that is, it comes down steadily. So you can see it coming down steadily, and once in a while you see this long spike, the green candle, you see it going up within seconds. So you can see that it is in opposite direction. Both of them works in opposite direction, but I will teach you how you can trade them very well without being scared of the spikes. Okay, quickly, let us see boom 1000. Boom 1000, this is just an introduction to trading these special assets. So let's see boom 1000, boom 1000. Yak, this is boom 1000, and you can see it coming down gradually. So each of these red lines that it is forming, the red lines that are forming are called bear candles, or they are called sell candles. That is, it is coming down gradually, so you can easily go there. Once you go there, you start making profits almost immediately. So this asset is predictable. You can easily see the movements. You can, the only thing you may be scared of is the spikes that happens. You can see these long green candles, it can eat off your money within seconds. So you need to know how to avoid it. And this is why you need a proper training so that you know how to go about it. Okay, quickly, I will also be sharing with us in this video. I will also be sharing with us how you can, the necessary tools that you need to trade this special asset, both boom and crash. Like I said, both of them, they are the opposite of each other. But before I go into the tools that you'll be using, let me quickly say this: boom 500 and boom 1000 are different in terms of the little difference that is there. That is boom 500 and boom 1000, then crash 500 and crash 1000. The little difference that is there in 500 and 1000 is that 500 is more volatile than 1000. If you are going to make $1 per minute in 1000, that means you'll be making $2 per minute in 500. Either you are trading boom or crash. And if you are going to lose $1 in a minute in boom 1000, in 1000, either boom or crash, then you are going to be losing $2 in a minute in 500. So that is the difference between the two. So it is important you also know that. Okay, on the main chart, actually, I want to talk about the indicators that we'll be needing on the main chart. I already have them highlighted in the ebook that is coming along with the trading package. The ebook is in pictorial form, so it will help you to know how to add the indicators and how to go about it. But let me quickly talk about the indicator on the main chart, because I want us to understand the aspect of trading these assets. You can see the spikes just happen. Can you see? The spike just happened. That is the monster that we are always scared of. But I will tell you how you can avoid it. I will tell you how you can overcome it. This is very easy. I will show you different strategies that you can use to trade it, to trade this asset and make a big amount of money from it. Okay, focusing on the chart, you can see all these lines on the chart, on the main chart. Okay, I will be showing us how to set them up. So you click on your F icon at the top here, you can see the main chart. If you want to set it up, you click on this F plus beside the main chart, and add whatever indicator you want to add. The same thing is applicable to the other windows, that is window 1, indicator window 1, indicator window 2, and indicator window 3. That is how to add them. But I want to focus more on the main chart because you'll be using the main chart a lot. You'll be using the main chart a lot. Other indicators are well detailed in the ebook that will be coming along. So let's move on. The first thing we'll be adding to the main chart is the BB, that is the Bollinger Band. You can see the parameters. This is the parameters. Let the period be 20, the deviation be 2.000, shift be 0, then apply to close. Then the pixel, you can choose whatever pixel you like depending on how thick you want it to appear. Then the color, you can pick whatever color you like, but I'm okay with the color I'm using. Then after that, you click on done. So I've done that already, so I don't need to do that again. I will show you the Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band are the green lines, the tiny green lines that you are seeing. Let me put it in landscape form so that you see it properly. Can you see it? You can see the tiny green lines forming the channels. You can see it's in three forms. One at the top, because we have the upper Bollinger Band, then one at the middle, then one below. So that is how Bollinger Band looks like. Okay, let's quickly go back to other indicators. The next indicator I'll be talking about is the moving average. So we added three different moving averages to it. So the first one is EMA 10, that is moving average exponential 10, exponential moving average 10. So the period is 10, the shift is 0, method is exponential. For you to change it, to click on it and click on exponential. So that is how, that is the first one you add to it, and it is very, I gave it red color. It is very, very important on the chart. You can see that is the red line on the main chart. That is the red line on the main chart. It is very, very important. I will tell you the function and I will tell you how important it is. In short, if you want to trade this asset successfully, you need the EMA 10 to go alongside with it. So let's quickly go to the next moving average. The next moving average is SMA 35, that is simple moving average 35. I gave it a deep blue color, so you use this parameter and add it. So let's see it on the chart. That is the deep blue color. So that is it. It is also very, very important, as important as that of EMA 10 is, so also is that of SMA 35. Both of them are important, so I will show you the function very soon. Then the next moving average we'll be adding to it is, sorry, not this, I've not changed this, is EMA 200. EMA 200, yeah, EMA 200, that is 200 exponential. It is very, very important. EMA 200. So you click on done once you are through. EMA 200, you can see that is the yellow color on the main chart. It is the yellow color on the main chart. So it is also very, very important in making a good decision. So the last indicator on the main chart is parabolic SAR. Parabolic SAR, that is the red dots below and above. You will also see it above. Can you see the red dots that trails the chart, the price chart? So these indicators are very, very important. The EMA 200 will help you know the trend of the market. Presently, once EMA 200, which is the one in yellow, once it is below the price chart, then it means that the market is on uptrend. Once it is above the price chart, it means that the market is on downtrend. So presently it is showing an uptrend market, so it shows that the market is presently on uptrend. So that is why you see the spikes coming up. You can see another one just came up again. You see it coming up and up and up like that. So it shows that the spike is on uptrend. So you apply this indicator for both boom and crash, either boom 1000 or boom 500 or crash 1000 or crash 500, and you apply the same principle for for all of them. Then the EMA 10 is meant for you to know where the spikes will happen. Also, SMA 35 is also there. You can see your EMA 10. You can see that the spikes are happening on the EMA 10. So that is how powerful this is. Okay, I'll be stopping here for now. My name is Samuel Okpeola. I am the creator of Coral Digital Cash. This is Coral Digital Academy, and we are here. I am here to show you. This is a special training session just to let you know how to trade successfully. This is the first aspect of the training video. It is an introduction to boom and crash. Like I said, boom is the general sell, goes on sell generally if you want to trade boom, while crash is buy if you want to trade crash. But you can also do it the other way around. But right now, I want you to have that at the back of your mind that generally boom is generally on sell, while crash is generally on buy. So thank you for now. God bless you.